Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to send alerts to Slack from Snowflake. Here is the first step to send the alerts to Slack from Snowflake. So create a webhook in Slack. So what is the webhook? Webhooks are a mechanism that enables real-time communication between web-based applications through custom callbacks. Second step, create Snowflake secret. Third step, create a webhook notification integration in Snowflake and send the notification. These are the four steps. Please note that if you don't have a Slack account, you can create a free trial 30 days free trial account using your Gmail or any other email. Let's see same in action. Yeah. So as part of this demo, I'm going to show you how to send alerts to Slack from Snowflake. For that, we need to create a channel new, okay, from the Slack. So if you don't have an account, you can create a free trial account with your Gmail 30 days free trial account. If you see here, this is the you can these are the pro businesses and enterprise. This is the current trail account, everything in free. Okay, these are the features. I'm not going to explain on this. So what I'm going to, let me jump onto uh, this is the we need to, during the account creation, you'll have to create a workspace while creating this one. See here, 30 days left in trail account. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, under Slack we have a channels. So let me create a new channel. Create new channel. Next, here channel name, so demo Slack. So here visibility, I'm keeping in the public, okay, or private, and then create, and then add people. If you want to add people, you can add. Otherwise, you can skip for now. So now new channel created, okay, demo Snowflake. So now let's jump onto here one more. Here we need to create a webhook as part of the first step. For that, what I'm going to do, here we have a api.slack.com apps. Okay, for that you need to create a new app. Here I already created two news. Now I'm going to create a new app by clicking create new app and select from scratch. Okay, create an app. You choose how would you like to configure your apps, scopes and settings. Here from main manifest, and then from scratch select from scratch, and then app name. Give the app name ALER alerts from Snowflake. Okay, you can give the, in real time we can create a what is the purpose, exact purpose. So that, and you need to pick a workspace to develop your app. This workspace will get created when we are registering free trial account. During that we can create the workspace. So I am selecting the existing workspace, and then finally click create app button. And then here, once you application is created, then come to, there is a one option, incoming webhooks. Okay, in the left side, from the menu, left side menu, you have a incoming webhooks. Click on the okay, incoming webhooks, and then here is the activate incoming webhooks. Okay, this one turn on. That's it. And then here you have to add new webhook. Okay, so demo for alerts. Now you need to select this channel which we just now created. Okay, so demo Snowflake I have created. Then okay, allow, click allow button. Okay, if you come down here, you have a webbook URL. This is very important. Copy this webbook URL, and then go back to Snowflake. I'm just going Snowflake. Let me open. Yeah, here I already opened. Okay, now I'm just, we have done the create webhook in Snowflake. So we captured the URL. This is the very important. Okay, here we have a secret key. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the database because secret is the Snowflake schema level object. For that we need to use the database. Use database. Okay, let me use the database, and schema is the public, and then I'm going to create a secret, create or replace using the after service part. You need to take this one. After this demo I will drop this channel and secret from my uh, slack app. Okay, create or replace secret name and type is equal to generic string. Secret underscore string is equal to what we have copied from the Slack apps. Okay, so let me create this one. Secret dev underscore slack underscore secret successfully created. Now what I'm going to do, using this secret, okay, here webhook URL. Okay, so this is the, I am removing this one. This is not required because we are maintaining the secret. Okay, here secret, we have a already secret object. So next step we need to create a integration. Okay, so notification integration, create or replace notification integration name, type equal to, here we have a webhook. Okay, email webhook, like that we can create a different notification integrations. And webhook underscore URL is the, you have to keep the till services. After that whatever you have, this is the common placeholder, Snowflake webhook secret. Okay, and you have to mention the what is the secret name. Okay, webhook underscore secret, so that while creating using, no need to mention the say secret. Okay, so this is kind of a, in other languages like AWS secrets, we have here, so where we can store the credentials details. Similar way in Snowflake also we can create the secrets. Admin people will create the secrets, and then they will give the permission on this one, so that we cannot see the these credentials. We will just use the, as the developers will just use the secrets. Okay, now here secret name, and then webhook body template. Here we can use the, JSON type or text. Okay, and then webhook headers, content type, application JSON. These are the standards we need to follow. So now I'm going to create the notification integration, webhook notification integration. So integration dev underscore slack underscore webhook integration successfully created. Okay, now the last step, we need to send the notification to the Slack. Okay, so let me go back to the my app. So here if you see the nothing, there is no here. Okay, any messages. Now let's, I'm going to run the, there is a system function, system dollar send underscore notification, Snowflake notification. Inside that we have some other functions as well, text plain. Okay, if you want to send the message in the text format, then we can use this method, or if you want to send the HTML or JSON, we have a separate methods. Okay, now here this is the sanitized webhook content method we have to use. Okay, in this we have to pass the what is the message you are sending from Snowflake to Slack. Okay, and finally you have to provide the what is the integration name. Okay, this is the integration which we created just now. Now I'm going to run this procedure, call this procedure. Yeah, see, enqueue notifications, this is done. Now let me go to channel. See, we received the mail. Okay, message, my message from Snowflake to Slack channel. This is the first message. Now what I'm going to do, see, instead of calling this one directly, we can call this inside our procedure. Okay, use the defined procedure. Here I am going to create the one procedure, create or replace procedure. Procedure name sp underscore send alerts to Slack from Snowflake, and here return string, and we have a blocks declare blocks, I'm defining the variable, and execution block starts from the begin and end. Okay, and exception block is the optional. Here I'm not using as part of this demo. So v underscore message, I'm just hard coding this message. If you want, you can use the input parameter and then use that, while calling that, you can pass the value. So here I'm hard coding what is the message I want to send to Slack. Okay, so here I'm calling the actual. So here I'm using the, instead of hard coded value, I'm using the this variable name. Okay, so let me create this procedure. Yeah, function sp underscore send underscore alerts underscore to underscore Slack from Snowflake successfully created. Now I'm going to run the or call this procedure by using the call keyword class. So here I didn't use any return, so that's where we see null. Now let's go back to our channel and see. We should see this message. Okay, alert from Snowflake SP. Here we go. We got the alert from Snowflake SP. Yeah, the so basically we need to create 4 steps: create a webhook in Slack, and create Snowflake secret, create a webhook notification integration, send the notification. That's it from this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it to a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues and friends. Your support truly helps my YouTube channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more expert tips, tutorials, and interview questions. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning, and I will see you in the next one.